Here I have TOSCIDO P101, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, you will need to press combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let's do it once again. Power key, volume down, and we got it. So one last time, volume down, power key, and we got these screenshots. So you can find your screenshots in gallery, in the special screenshots section, and here they are. And from here you can you can share, edit, delete your screenshots, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.